PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Norristown, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our commercial HVAC company is capable of installing and repairing all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our 24-hour commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is commercial HVAC? A commercial HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system's goal is to keep building occupants comfortable with high-quality air at 72 degrees and 40 to 60% humidity. Why is commercial HVAC maintenance important? Commercial HVAC maintenance plans help facility managers extend the life of HVAC building equipment and reduce operating costs by reducing repair frequency and energy use. What is your service area for the Norristown, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC services have served Norristown, Fairview Village, Worcester, Eagleville, East Norriton, West Norriton, Audubon, Bridgeport, Center Square, Blue Bell, Broad Axe, Lafayette Hill, Conshohocken, King of Prussia, Arcola, Yerkes, Worcester, Jeffersonville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Norristown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC office located? We are located at 204 DeKalb St. Norristown, Pennsylvania 19401. Our phone number is 610-672-3056. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/DeKalb-ST-Norristown-HVAC-service.